the easy install instructions for the 6th Gen Bronco cargo hook. First, locate the Bronco toolkit. Once we have the toolkit, we are going to pull out the ratchet, the T30 Torx bit, and the T30 Torx L-wrench. Now we simply remove the lower speaker bolt from the bottom of the speaker. With the bolt removed, we can reinstall this bolt by putting it through the mount of the Bronco hook. There's many possibilities of what you can use this for, including bungeeing down things in the cargo area for security.